In connections with International Youth Day 2024, a 2-month-long awareness program on information, education and communications to prevent from HIV/AIDS has been begun today at Khagempalli, Huidrom Lekai, Lampak with a cycle rally. The program was organized by Manipur State AIDS Control Society (MAX) under the aegis of National AIDS Control Organization (NACO). Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, Minister Health and Family Welfare, Government of Manipur, flagged off the cycle rally from Khagempalli, Huidrom Lekai and terminated at NG College, Naramthong. About 150 cyclists, including Hawam Roshita Devi, Project Director MAX, and other officials took part in the rally. In this regard, Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh said that the main objective of the program is to spread awareness to the youths of the state to prevent from the HIV/AIDS. It is a 2-month mission to curb the spread of the disease like HIV/AIDS and other sexually transmitted diseases. The program will be held at various places of the state. He appealed the public to extend support and give cooperation to the organizer.
In 2024 cycle rally Manipur AIDS Control Society idea Manipur HIV AIDS awareness sexually transmitted diseases awareness as a 2-month-long IEC campaign mission and Praza Kudimata, when Manipur the labor Praza Kudim had the Ahandagi, HIV Zikarino, HIV AIDS and the Kano, the HIV prevention acts in a Karino, Hebase, Akoi Praza, Namakan and a campaign. Siki missions it up. I am see cyclists, I am like from all walks of life. And see cyclists, I am like Pire, see this, NG College for me, cycle can. It's a campaign and also a mission. AIDS control